Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have a huge PR unboxing video and I posted this on my Instagram stories. Ang daming nag-accumulate na PR packages from the time I went to Thailand and then Siargao. So ang daming naipon. So today, we're gonna unbox everything. Let's start off with this one from Benefit. So ito yung giveaway nila during the Lunch with Heart or That's Heart of YouTube. So inside, ang cute ng packaging, diba? Hippie Go Lucky Easy Breezy Makeup Kit. This is what the pouch looks like inside. Super duper cute. And sa loob, we have a mini version of the blush in the shade of California. Super cute. Perfect for traveling. Oh my gosh. Anong color to? Ooh. I haven't tried the shade yet. Ang ganda. Look at that. A WhatsApp, which is a highlighter. Ang favorite ng lahat, which is the Professional. And lastly, we have the They're Real Mascara. So this is really perfect for travel, guys. As in, mini makeup to go. Love it. The Precisely My Brow Pencil, which is my favorite brow product from Benefit. Hello Happy Flawless Foundation Applicator. It's the mini soft blur foundation. Ito yung latest na foundation ng Benefit. Look at that! It's so cute! Ayan, I have tried using this foundation. So next, I'll be opening a bunch of products from the brand K Palette. I have here the One Day Tattoo Super Black Eyeliner. So yung shade naman ito is the brown black. Ayan. We also have here the Lasting 3-Way Eyebrow Pencil. And then they also sent over this package to me and medyo hindi ko siya nakuha kasi it was sent to my old address. But I love this tumbler. Look at that. Strong is the new beautiful. Ang ganda ng tumbler na to. And then along with that, they sent the One Day Tattoo Re-Lasting eyeliner. Next, I have a package from Pixie, and this was sent to me a couple of weeks ago. I haven't really gotten around to using it back. It has a description sa likod. So, it's a professional beauty tool at home, a travel-friendly device, and I'll be doing a separate video for this para mas in detail ko siya ma-explain sa inyo. So, ayan, it's from Pixie. If ever gusto nyo unahan yung video, punta na kayo sa Pixie, at Pixie on Instagram. So, I'll do a separate video for that. This one naman is one of the products na, star products na nilaunch namin or nilaunch ng Kanebo when we were in Bangkok, Thailand. So, they gave us the entire, the full size of the newest product and I'm so excited, and it's called the Kanebo The Cream. And it's from the Exceptional line. This one naman is a package from Makeup World. So it came in a really beautiful box na parang travel inspired. So it came with this travel bag. Life is short, wear more makeup. The Ultimate Palette. So Makeup World, you can find them on Instagram. So it's called the Ultimate Palette. Tapos yung nail brand naman na Caronia. So they're celebrating 50. Oh my gosh. Nail polishes. Thank you so much to Caronia. So, they sent over like 5 different sets of nail colors. Ang ganda. Ang cute nito. Itong collection nito, parang more on bright colors. Meantime, may mga teal. And then we have the modern 2000s. Dynamic 2010s. This one naman is a brand of my friend, Liz Lanuzo of the Project Vanity. So, meron sila mga bragong products. And this is called the In Her Element Petal Skin Rose Clay Mask. The Petal Skin Rose Toning Essence. So, this one naman is from another nail company, Girl Stuff. One of my top favorites. Meron silang Peel Off Base Coat. We have the Nail Enhancer and the Revive Base Coat.
From L'Oreal Paris naman, we have a bunch of stuff. So, different stuff. Actually, yung isang package na parang chocolate yung theme, kinailangan kong itapon yung buong PR box kasi nilanggam, girl, nilanggam siya. Pero ang loob niya are the Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick. So, ano to? Less chocolates. Lay chocolates or something like that. Scented perfume. So, scented lip colors sila. And girl, as in, amoy talaga siyang chocolate. And they sent it over with actual chocolates. Kaya talaga nilanggam siya ng bongga. But thank you so much to L'Oreal.
And then, I'll be doing separate swatches for this kasi girl, ang dami. It has like 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 different shades from the entire collection. So, I'll do a separate video for that. But, let's see muna kung talagang amoy chocolate siya. Kasi, oh my gosh. Okay, gusto ko ng chocolate. Pero bawal doon kainin. And then, they also sent over the Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. So, ito yung itsura. Another one of the products from L'Oreal. And then we had the Brow Artist Brow Pomade. the Infallible Lip Liners. It's from the brand Nippon Lashes. It's a Japanese brand. Too glam to give a damn. Oh, super wonga girl. And that's true. So, you slide it out like this. Again, ang ganda ng packaging nila. Ang ganda ng PR box. And this is from Nippon Aesthetic PH. These are named after cocktails. Margarita, Martini, Mimosa, Sidecar, Zombie, Individual, Starter Pack. Hindi yun cocktail, pero ayan. Ito naman galing sa Makeup Forever, and actually, yung foundation yan, ginagamit ko na. I've been using it for 2 months na. Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation. It's what I have on my face right now, and sobrang hiyang sa skin tone or skin type ko. I love it so much. I'll do a review for this para malaman nyo, para yung application and everything else. So, nagbigay pa sila ng stuff, so it's contained in this box. We have here the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation stick naman siya. So, kung yun, the pump, ito naman, stick version. I haven't tried it. Skin Booster. Ultra HD Skin Booster. So, ito naman daw, ang sabi sa akin, it's perfect for making your skin plump or preparing your skin before all the makeup. We also have here the Mist and Fix Artist Liquid Matte Lipstick. And sabi nila, the best liquid lipstick daw. Artist Rouge Matte High Pigmented Lipstick. Ay, ang cute! Cute niyo yun? Oh, it's a perfect MLBB or My Lips But Better shade. A nude color. So, lahat yan from Makeup Forever. Now, we move on to the brand Revlon. Revlon Color Stay Exactify. So, ito yung packaging ng Exactify. Roll with it. And then, it says on here, it's waterproof. It has a wheel tip for easy application. Sent over 4 different shades. They also sent over here the entire collection of the Street Chic collection from Revlon Super Lustrous. So, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 different shades all in all. And ang gaganda lang. Let's go naman to Shiseido. So, they held an event, a beauty event. I did a vlog on that. And then ito yung giveaway. We have a really cute pouch which I totally see myself using. Kasi look at that. It's so cute and it's red. O, diba? Ayan. So, ang laman niya is the Visionary, as in Vision Airy Gel Lipstick. This one naman is from a brand I've been super duper loving. So, it's the brand Colorette. And ito naman is the Colorette by Colorette Limited Edition Supra Matte Color Glaze Dual Tint. This is from My Beauty Diary at 7-Eleven. So, they have the pearl or the black pearl mask and the Arbutin Brightening Mask. This box naman contains something from L'Oreal as well. So, medyo late na yata ako sa pag-announce. But, may exciting news daw from the best-selling Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Foundation and Powder. So, ang original price niya kasi is 600 pesos. Now daw, 499 na lang. Here naman, we have a box from Klook. So, they sent over a tumbler, another pouch, perfect for, you know, traveling. Passport holder. Ayan, ang cute. It's all white. Reusable utensils. So, we have wooden spoons. We have more products from the brand K Palette. They sent over 4 different shades. Ginamit ko na yung isa. This one naman is from a brand called Intissimo. It's a robe, pero para siyang nightgown. And then it comes with a robe. Ang ganda ng color, diba? Up next, we have products from Beauty Bar. The Neogen Real Fresh Foam, which is in the variant green tea. A facial toner from Dear Claire's. This is a Korean brand. 2-in-1 poreless powder liquid from COSRX. Midnight Blue Calming Cream. Elebo Super Hydra Essential Mist. Also have here the, oh my gosh, full size. The COSRX. Ito talaga yung sobrang sikat sa buong mundo. One Step Original Clear Pad. So this is perfect for people with acne or breakouts or anything. 2-in-1 poreless liquid powder. Sample size nila. We have here Salicylic Acid Daily Gentle Cleanser from the brand COSRX. The First Cleansing Milk Gel, also from the same brand. Acne Pimple Master Patch. Ayan, sobrang love ko rin using mga pimple patches whenever I get breakouts kasi sobrang when you marinate your skin overnight with yung mga patches na yun, may tendency na the next day talagang sobrang mag-subside yung redness and even yung bump, kaya ang bongga. This one naman is the clear pad. So parang child pack. Next, we have products from the brand Ilana. And inside, we have the Take It Easy Makeup Removers. Flower Power Setting Spray. So, meron silang setting spray. Stay Fresh Setting Spray. So, 2 variants yung setting spray nila. Travel Pro Brush Set. So, I used this set when I went to Bangkok. And sobrang kompleto niya. And then we also have the Live in a Charmed Life Double Duty Makeup Brush Set. So, ang dami nilang different types of brush sets. Ayan, ang ganda pa ng color. So, ito yung dual-ended brush set. And then we also have the retractable powder brush, also perfect for travel kasi nga retractable. Kabuki brush, also from the Charm Essentials line. So if ever you're in, ang cute yun mo, may bag pang maliit, parang siyang coin purse, and then hindi mo maakalain sa loob pala is Kabuki brush. That's so cute, diba? Ito naman, sobrang cute na packaging. I posted this up on my Instagram stories na dual makeup cotton buds, mga lip balms, ayan. The boxes of the facial cotton puffs. This one naman is a bag that I got from an online shop. So I did a travel essentials video or how I pack for travel video. And kung saan ko kinuha yung mga packing cubes ko, it's from the same Instagram shop. Up next, I have a bunch of boxes from the brand Muy Bien Bonita. So may mga bags silang release ng mga shoes. Ito yung pinaka-high na heel. And then ito naman yung highest heel for the other color. Yung medium black. So again, meron kayong mga different heel options. Thank you so much to Watch Republic. Ang ganda. It's from the brand Esprit. I think this is from their new collection. Esprit. It's just a classic gold watch bag from St. Ives. St. Ives Revitalizing Acai Blueberry and Chia Seed Oil Body Lotion. There. And then, I think mga bagong variants to. And then we have the Fresh Skin Apricot Scrub. And then we have the Purifying Sea Salt and Pacific Kelp Exfoliating Body Wash. Ito naman is the new product from Benefit. So, they launched this a couple of weeks ago. It's called the Art of Brow Contour Pencil 4-in-1. So, ito yung, alam mo yung pencils natin before? Look at that. Sobrang, as in pen. I haven't really posted this, pero ayan, lalabas. Oh. And then different colors lalabas. That's so cool. So thank you, Huda Beauty. So ito naman, ang ganda ng packaging. Look at that. Okay, so we have 5 different palettes all in all. That's so nice. Haven't tried them, pero I saw them on Michelle D. And sobrang tingkad ng color. I think she used this blue one over here during the e-bloggers ball. So ayan. Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer. As in, sobrang ganda. I cannot really stress how much I fell in love with this Overachiever. And then another makeup bag. And then it also comes with the Huda Beauty Face Conceal and Blend Brush. Ayan. And then inside, we have, girl, all the shades lang naman, diba? Nakakaloka si Huda. Thank you so much to Huda Beauty. As in, sobrang, like, this is one of the best concealers I have tried in the market, I swear. We have more stuff from the brand Colorette. Lick Lacquer Supra Matte. I also received a package from Inglot. Jennifer Lopez Inglot Lipstick, which I'll show you. Ito yung shade na binigay nila sa akin. So, it's a perfect parang red. Ito naman, hindi ko alam saan galing. Saan nga ba galing to? It's a makeup bag. Okay, it's a makeup bag. Same din from the same Instagram shop nung bag plus yung mga packing cubes ko. They sent this as well. So, it's jewelry holder. Cute, diba? We also have a bunch of lip colors here from the brand BLK Cosmetics. And we have the Sunshine Smack Mini Lippies. I haven't really tried out BLK before. And then we have the Glimmer Lipsticks. As in, ang dami nilang shade na pinadala. Here naman, I have something from the brand By Hand Feel Good product. So, ang pinakaunang pinadala sa akin is the Shangri-La Hand-Poured Room and Linen Spray. Which I super love kasi amoy Shang talaga siya. Like, amoy Shangri-La talaga siya. It's a very fresh, luxurious smell. And I love it. As in, sinispray ko siya sa lahat. Lahat ng mga kurtina, kama, kasi linen and room, diba? So, it's perfect for everything. And then inside, they also sent over a sprinkle of comfort with rose petals and mint leaves. So, this is the bath and foot soak. So, para siyang salt We have a couple more products to go. So, more products from Benefit. So, ito naman is a gift from my Benefit family for being nominated for the E-Bloggers Ball. So, they sent over this mirror along with the package. Sobrang gandang mirror to kasi kasya yung buong mukha ko. Kita ko siya. And then, nabibend pa siyang ganito. So, you can use it as a stand mirror. And then, we have here a bunch of different products. So, first of all, we have the Perfect Deal. The Perfect Deal. Set siya eh. Wait lang, let me open it for you guys. Super ganda ng packaging ng Benefit. Like, feel ko walang tatalo sa packaging ng Benefit. Look at that. Super ganda. And then sa loob naman, ooh, nice. So we have the Hula Bronzer, the Boing Concealer, and WhatsApp for the highlighter. Ayan. And then we have a good size mirror for that. So here is what it looks like inside. So we have a palette. Ooh, Dandelion, Rockouture, and Hula Bronzer. Ayan yung itsura niya. Tapos sa baba, we have the Goof Proof Brow Pencil. Products from the brand Makahiya. So they are a company that I chanced upon on Instagram. And they wanted to send over bras. Ito yung mga pinili ko. Like, I am a sucker for black bras kasi feel ko they're very classic color. Ito naman yung isa is front enclosure. Enclosure ba yung tawag doon? Basta front yung closure niya or yung zip niya. I missed the event for Catherine Bernardo. But yeah, good skin, everyday makeup. So, nag-launch si Catherine Bernardo. And you probably have already seen other reviews for this. But we have a pouch over here. Very holographic, ang ganda. With happy skin. So, we have the Instant Glow Long Wear Powder Blush. Kiss and Bloom Water Lip and Cheek Tint, which I remember using when we went to the Hanina concert. Volumizing Mascara. We have Perfect Brows Long Lasting Liquid Pen. My Lips But Better Ultra Matte Lippy. Here I have a bag full of face masks from the brand Dr. Morita. And this is a new facial mask brand that just came in the Philippines, and I will be releasing my video very soon. Ito pala yung kasama ng package from Revlon. So, ito yung nilaunch nila and parang highlight nila for the past couple of months or the past month. It's called the Photo Ready Insta Filter Foundation. Ayan, so ito yung highlight ng talk na ginawa ko for them. And then my good friend Happy Anjada sent over the limited edition Happy Anjada dressing gown or dressing robe pala, dressing robe. And I believe this is really perfect for brides, as in girl. Meron pa tayong, what is this? Champagne ba to? Super nice nung dressing robe niya. I haven't really tried it on just yet, but I'll do an OOTD for you guys. So, ang pinaka-last is this bag over here. Okay, first of all, I have turmeric tea from DONABELLE. Turmeric tea and hot chocolate. So, they sent over a bunch, ayan, coconut sugar. Like, super duper bongga. This is from an Instagram shop. This one naman, I've done a video on this na, yung main na lip color. And then, I think nagbigay pa sila ng mga ibang stuff. So, we have the Pro Longwear foundation. And then, here we have Davidoff Cool Water Woman. From Decathlon naman, nag-launch nila ng store sa Robinsons Dasmariñas. And they sent over or they gave me Roll Net Small. Bumili ako ng Run Light. So, for when I run at night, may ilaw ako. And then, ginamit namin sa Siargao, which is a full-faced snorkeling mask. And then, a backpack. So, meron tayong backpack over here. Ang pinaka-last ko is from BLK. So, recently lang, they launched their 90s collection. And sobrang saya nung party. Like, sobrang saya. And then, they sent over the packages beforehand, before the party. So, may kasama tayong cocktail classics na jelly beans. And then, may tayong gummy worms. The intense color liquid eyeshadow. It's pigmented ha. Like, super pigmented. And then, if you're gonna ask anong lip color ko for this video, I used the BLK Soft Matte Mousse. So, ito naman, medyo nagulat ako kasi ang ganda ng application on the lips. Like, it's very lightweight. They also have here the All Day Intense Liquid or the Matte Lipstick. Ayan. So, that's a perfect color. Volume and Lash Extension Mascara, which I haven't really tried just yet. It all came in this 90s toolbox. Diba? May mga tayo nung bata tayo. Super nice. So that's it for my super duper long PR unboxing video for today, but I hope you guys found that interesting. And if ever you are interested in any of the brands that I showed you guys, I'll have all their links in the information box. So in order yan, and I'll just have their websites and even Instagram links down in the information box. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!